A website and an app are at the centre of a matrix of legal relationships. There's relationships between the website or app owner and the party that's hosting the facility. There are agreements or relationships between the publisher of the site or the app and its user base. There are relationships between developers and the publisher, so on and so forth. One of the most central documents that manages the relationships is the terms of service, sometimes called terms and conditions. And it's in that document that the nature of the rights and the responsibilities and the obligations and the duties of the parties to that agreement are set out. So classically, when users use an app or use a site, they're asked to agree to the terms and conditions, and that's what forms the relationship between the user and the party that's issuing those terms and conditions. It's having that term and condition in place that permits the following problem to come to a solution.
David, it's Sid. How you doing?
We're pretty terrible here at the moment.
Matt, I just been following Twitter, and I can see our handle and our mention in the Twitter stream's gone nuts.
Yeah.
Something about a data loss.
Yeah.
Are you aware of this?
Yeah, absolutely. We're in the middle of major damage control here and management of our PR as well, because the whole of Malaysia has lost their data. So all our purchasers just lost every bit of data they've recorded since they started. We don't know how it happened. We're looking into that. But in the meantime, we're communicating with them. I'm worried about our legal obligations here.
Right. Okay. Let me think. Actually, when we set this up, the jurisdiction that we set it up for was Australia. So anyone from anywhere in the world that was going to use our service was going to agree to the laws in Australia. And if I remember correctly, in our terms of service, we clearly state that we take no responsibility for data loss. I mean, it's a PR issue and we have to do the right thing by the customer, absolutely. Yes. But in terms of any legal concerns, you know, we simply advise people to back up the data if they want, and we take no responsibility for the data or the upkeep of the data. So I think legally you don't need to be worried, but I think we definitely have a job of winning back the hearts and minds of our customers. Yeah,
and we need to work out a strategy for that now.
Okay, give me an update tomorrow on how this is going.
Yeah,
thanks, mate.